Hi, my name is Peter. I live in Melbourne. It's been 10 years or so now. I have been in freight industry for past 7 years. Last year when I thought of getting into one of Mahindra's sets, I have heard about it a lot from my friends. So I thought, let's give it a go. It's marvelous. Like, firstly, they're great on fuel. And secondly, it's just very safe. It's got cameras all around, lane keep assist, collision prevention. Like, it brakes itself if it's a few meters away from the next car. They are very, I would say, affordable. They're a good bargain, they're a good buy. It's a very spacious car, got 7 seats in it. Like, you can fold up the seats at the back and use it as big boot space, which comes very handy when you go to pick up some of your friends coming up from overseas or anywhere. Fuel economy is pretty great. I get about 900 kilometers out of one full tank, which is great around the city. So my favorite top 3 things are, firstly, it's collision prevention system. Secondly, it's keyless door entries. And thirdly, it's the big screen inside. It's just great. So that's my Mahindra.